Everybody, good morning. Coming at you from the van. I miss being in the van so much. I honestly miss it so much that this hoodie was in the van and I came out to get it and it was covered in dog hair because we lived in here with Riley for like 6 months, our super fluffy, hairy, huge dog. And it was just covered in hair and I was like, ah, yes. Normally it's like, dang, my clothes are covered in hair, but this morning it was like, oh. So I've been working on the ramp for the past 2 days, gotten a lot done. I've been really going at it, working all day. And it is wearing me out, that's for sure. But it's so fun. I can't wait to show you guys what all I've gotten done. And it should be done within 3 days, I'm hoping. Can't freaking wait to skate it. Just so stoked that this is happening. If you have any questions about the ramp and you want to build a ramp yourself, or if there's anything you would like to see on the vlog, please leave a comment below. Yeah, we are chilling today. The weather is absolutely amazing. I'm just in a hoodie and shorts. The sun is out, blue skies. Oh my God, it's unbeatable. Hope everyone is doing good and pursuing things in their life that make them happy. There's only one life, so let's live it. Freaking crush it. You. Huge shout out to my boy Johan, hooking it up with some coping. It is really rusty because it was on a super old skate ramp we used to freaking play shows at and skate back in the day, which was sick, by the way. It was called Rooster Romp. I'm coughing because I soaked it in PB Blaster and I'm gonna get all the rust off of it so it grinds real nice. But yeah, so that's my first project today. Fix up this coping, get the coping mounted, finish sheeting this side, and then I can build the bottom flat part of the ramp, and then it's done. As you guys can see, I've gotten a lot done. This side is pretty much 100% done. It is 100% done. And then this side, I got the first layer of sheeting on, and I got the notches cut for the coping. So we can put the coping on, finish sheeting it. Whew, we'll be good on that side. Absolutely cannot wait to skate this thing. Insane how fast sawdust accumulates, dude. It's like you cut a board and like a few 2x4s, and next thing you know, the whole garage, everything is just layered in sawdust. Doing work! Alright, so adding this extension was super last minute, so it made putting the coping on super weird. I don't actually have another curved transition piece to mount this coping to, so it made it really funky, but I think I got it figured out. As far as this sheeting goes, I'm gonna try to do this all in one piece, so the extension plus this section here. So it kind of reminds me of doing like laminate flooring or something, and you got to do a door transition. It's definitely a really tough cut, but we'll see. Maybe it'll be easy. I don't know. yes.
Can you get up there?
Whew. Had to go to lunch after that one, boys. Nailing it. Dude. The extendo is too gnarly, I think. It's too gnarly. Oh my god, dude. What? You're gonna go freaking Mach 10 into this 2-foot ramp out of this freaking insane extension. I just got this mounted on, sturdy, screwed this in. So now, going kind of ADD, I'm like getting off that one and coming back to this one. The only thing left on this side is to cut a notch in here so it fits over that ledge. That's exactly what I did with this cabinet. So that way it'll be flush with the wall and then we'll have more room over there. So yeah, definitely should have done this way earlier on, but not that smart. Oh my God. 7 1/4. 5 1/4, boys and girls. Bang! Just gonna cut my perfectly good ramp here because it ain't perfect enough. That's a done notch right there, boy. Let's do the other side and then I'll slide her in. All right, guys. There's our notch. Can I even move this by myself? Oh boy. Boy. Oh heck yeah. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Dude. It fits up to the window perfect. Dude! Oh my God. Freaking so sick, dude. Whew. All right, so I just got this piece of coping anchored in. As well as this piece. So now I need to make my next tough cut for the masonite to go over and finish sheeting this one. Then we'll be looking real good. All right, let's see if I'm still on a roll. I think so. How was your first day at your new job? Tell us. Just, was it good or bad?
Good.
Good. Sick. You said you're gonna drop in the extension first try?
I can't even drop in on the other part.
Dude, that extension's gonna send you straight through the window for
I'm not
sure.
going on that thing.
You think I can finish it today?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Why not?
Ooh.
The flat part will be easy.
Ooh. Chapupes. Dude! Are we gonna be skating tonight? So I've been battling with this ramp, with sheeting it. First I ran out of screws, so I had to ride my bike to Ace and get screws. But then I started sheeting it from the top, which screwed me up because when I got to the bottom and tried to square it with the bottom, here, it created a gap. But the gap was way worse than that before. So I had to take this whole sheet off and try to fix it. And it's a lot better. So, I don't know. It's not that big of a deal, but we'll see how it skates, and then if I have to fix it, then I'll fix it. About to throw some sheeting on the top of this ramp. Oh, she's a dreamer. Pure dreaming. so satisfying, dude. I want to hear from you guys what you think about this extension. Is it too gnarly? Will we die and shoot through the window? Let me know. Until then, let's finish this ramp. Please subscribe, please like this video, and let's get this done right now, dude. Here we go. Building the flat bottom, then we're done. Woo! Oh my God! The moment of truth! Wow, a little crooked. Dude, this thing's gonna be sick! Oh my God, this is gonna be so sick! Dude! Holy crap! Oh my God! We're a little crooked. Hang on. You see what I'm talking about? The tree, dude! Good. All right, the moment of truth is here, guys. We're cutting the last 4 sheets for the flat bottom, and the ramp is fully skatable. So.
You always say something's the moment of truth, but it makes no sense.
Woo! The moment of truth!
It's not the moment of truth.
The moment we've all been waiting for. Let's do it!
On Instagram now?
Yeah. All right, guys, look at this right now. The last freaking piece, dude! The last freaking piece, dude! Are you freaking kidding me? Dog! She is a beaut. Here we go! Will it fit?
This is the real moment of truth.
Oh yeah. Woo! All right. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Stoking like no man has ever stoked before. This is all time. And man, it's been back-breaking.
It seems a little dramatic.
Woo! El Skato. And I'm gonna drop in and just eat shit and fucking break my face.
Why would you say that? Please don't break your face.
Wow.
6 more screws.
Wow, here we go. The final screw! The sacred screw! Are you joking me? Bam! Bam! Dude! I gotta sweep it. God damn it.
Oopsies.
I have to take that stupid thing down, dude. Crap. God.
Oh God.
Oh my freaking God.
Off of it before you unscrew it.
Oh, fuck this stupid thing.
Yeah, but how are you gonna reach when you can't lean on that thing anymore? Oh God! Ah!
Oh my God. Freaking jeez. God. God. Making me work around here just to skate. Okay. Holy crap, dude.
Are you gonna drop in on the extendo?
You don't need to move that stuff. Oh my God. What? This is unreal. Oh my god, dude. Yeah! So